For decades, the world priced this metal completely wrong. But now, China knows its real secret, and I promise you it's not gold. Every single solar panel, every AI chip, and every electric car absolutely needs this stuff. Yet, for some reason, we've been treating it like pocket change. Last year, the market created a 500 million ounce hole in supply and just pretended nobody would notice. To put that in perspective, that's like the entire planet skipping a whole year of production. It's a massive gap. Here's the kicker, the part that most people miss. Silver isn't even mined on purpose. Around 70% of all silver just tags along when companies are digging for copper or zinc. It's a byproduct. So, if the price of silver doubles or even triples, tough luck. You can't just magically crank out more. No one is going to build a billion-dollar mining pit for their side hustle. Meanwhile, what's happening in the background? China just vacuumed up the last of the easily accessible silver bars. They're stacking it for the exact same reason they hoarded rare earth metals back in 2010. Their logic is simple. If the future of technology runs on this metal and you own the metal, you own the entire supply chain. Let's look at the solar industry for a second. To create 1 gigawatt of solar cells, you need about 1,000 ounces of silver. And right now we're adding a gigawatt of solar capacity every single week. Do the math on that. That's a whole year's mine supply gone, just for solar, before we even start talking about smartphones, Teslas, or the radar systems in fighter jets. What about the vaults? The ones in London and New York that are supposed to be overflowing with this stuff. They're emptying out, fast. The COMEX registered stock, which is the silver available for delivery, just hit a 5-year low. So why hasn't the price exploded yet? It's been lagging because of paper contracts. These are financial instruments that created the illusion that there was plenty of silver to go around. But here's the thing about paper. When the physical metal is gone, the paper burns. It becomes worthless. Some analysts are still whispering about a potential price of $150 per ounce. But try telling that to the solar plant that just bid $309 for physical silver and was told, sorry, no stock available. The moment the first major industrial user panics, it's going to trigger a domino effect that will make the big nickel squeeze of 2022 look like a small town yard sale. This isn't just about investors, it's about industries that cannot function without this critical component. A 70x price increase sounds completely nuts, right? It does, until the one metal your gadgets can't live without starts trading by physical weight instead of by paper contract. The game changes completely when delivery is demanded. So, is silver about to shock the entire world, or am I just drinking the miners' Kool-Aid? I want to know what you think. Drop your target price in the comments below, and let's see who gets closest when the COMEX finally has to say, deliver. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives like this.